Hi everybody, welcome back, it's Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be making a short crust pastry. Now look at that, that's delicious, isn't it? Now this is a special short crust pastry because it's dairy free, and you know, I'm hoping this video will go out to people that are going to need dairy free products. It's really delicious, as you can see, simple and easy to make. Just follow my recipe, stay tuned and you'll be making one soon. So this is going to be a sweet short crust pastry, and these are the ingredients we need. We need 225 grams of all-purpose flour. I've also got here 1 teaspoon of sugar, just ordinary granulated sugar. I've got some lard. I've got 100 grams of cooking lard here, and we're going to need some icy cold water, about 3 or 4 tablespoonfuls. Now I like to start my mixing on this piece of rubber matting here because it stops my bowl from slipping, sliding all over the place. That can be so annoying. Anyway, here we go firstly with our flour. Pop that all into our mixing bowl. Then we can follow it with the sugar, give that a quick stir around, and then go in with our lard. Now hopefully this is quite cold lard and it's been chopped up a bit to give you a bit of a head start. So we mix this in, incorporating little dashes of water along the way. Now this will take you at least, I don't know, depends how fast you are, 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Get every last scrap from around the edges of the bowl, and then you'll end up with this pastry, which then needs to be wrapped and put aside to rest for a little while. So I'm going to pop it in this cling film, fold it over, just helps to stop it drying out really. Now this is quite important to let it rest for about 15 minutes, a bit longer if you've got the time. Then we can roll it out. Now we need a floured base, so pop some flour on a base, and then we can start on with a pastry. A little bit more flour on the top so your rolling pin doesn't stick, and keep rolling away. Roll, 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 roll. This will take a little while. It's got a few cracks in it, but as I roll it, they'll gradually disappear. Get it down to about 1 centimetre in thickness, and then we're good to go. So carefully roll it around the rolling pin. Once we've done that, we can tuck this to one side, get it out of the way, and go on to the next step. Now we need one of these dishes here, like sort of a flan dish really, with a removable base. We can go in there with a bit of baking paper that I've cut to size to fit, and then over the top with our pastry. This is a little tricky bit, take your time over it. It's worth a bit of effort. Tuck it all in into the corners there, all the way round, and then you can neatly break it off of the top. Or if you're really clever, you can go over the top with your rolling pin, do the same job. If you've got any tricky bits, just patch them up with some spare pastry. There we go. Nobody knows the difference, they won't see that bit there anyway. Poke some holes in the bottom so you don't get an air bubble form. Then on with some cling film, and we're going to use these little cooking balls here, these pastry things, little weights. They're going to stop it from rising up in the middle. Trim off your excess cling film. Make a nice neat job of that. Fold them in, and then we're ready to the oven. Now pop it into your oven, gas mark 4, for about 15 minutes. Then take it out very carefully because it's going to be so hot, and also very carefully without burning yourself. You've got to remove all these little balls here, these little clay balls. Gradually pick those up. This is what I do, I pick it up in the cling film. I find that the easiest way to do it really. Move them off out of it. Take off your bit of paper there, bit of baking paper. You can see it's not cooked in the centre, so we're going to pop it back in the oven, still at gas mark 4 for another 10 minutes. And then you've got a finished pastry case. There you go, dairy-free pastry case. There's a few shots. And you can do with this whatever you wish. Now it's a sweet pastry, so it's obviously going to be for puddings. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. There we go, that's looking good. Got to find something to put in it now. That won't be difficult. So thanks guys for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've really enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Don't forget to like and share as well. And yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.